Huwag mo tong gagawin sa Omnis Duo. Kung lumang version pa ng Rekordbox yung gamit mo, tapos in-export mo yung songs mo sa flash drive, huwag mo siyang isasaksak sa Omnis Duo. Bakit? Kasi pag pinindot mo dito sa source, ang sasabihin niya, Rekordbox Device Library Plus not found. So bakit nangyayari yun? The reason is because the newest standalone players like the Opus Quad and the Omnis Duo use what's known as the Rekordbox Device Library Plus. All you need to do is to update to the latest version of Rekordbox and to export your playlists using it. Hindi naman to sobrang urgent. If you're not spinning with the Opus Quad or the Omnis Duo, you don't need to update, okay? Ito, kaka-update lang to the latest Rekordbox, and now tatanungin tayo, convert to Device Library Plus. Just click yes. So yan, malapit na siya matapos. And export natin yung playlist natin. Let's just wait a little bit for it to finish. Yan. Done. Tingnan mo dito sa browser, meron na tayong dalawa. May device library, ito yung luma natin, at pati yung device library. Plus, this is what's going to be read when we plug this into our Omnis Duo. Uli, ngayon, isaksak natin dito. And, ito natin tong USB. Okay, and yun na. Lumabas na lahat ng mga artists natin, pati yung mga playlists natin. Very, very nice.